Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging the Xbox so you avoid shorts. Once done, remove the external screws and pry open the case using the Torx drivers and a plastic tool. This exposes the motherboard and the USB assembly. Make sure to wear an anti-static strap to prevent damage and keep screws organized in a labeled container. You're doing this to get direct access to the USB port and its solder points, which is where most failures originate. You now examine the USB socket closely to find bent pins, debris, or cracked solder joints. These are common failure modes. Use 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a nylon brush or toothpick to clean corrosion and dust. This restores contact. If you spot cracked solder, reflow the joints with a fine-tip soldering iron. Heat each pad just enough to remelt the solder, then cool. If the port is physically damaged, desolder and fit a replacement. Aligning pins precisely prevents shorts and intermittent connections. You finish by reseating the USB assembly and any shielding, then close the case while keeping screws organized and snug but not over-tightened. Once reassembled, plug in power and test with different USB devices, controllers, flash drives, to confirm consistent detection and power. If the port still fails intermittently, inspect nearby motherboard traces for lifted pads or damaged vias. A continuity test helps. If those traces are
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.